So much. I am so fed up with all of this crap. It's always the same thing. Stephanie. How dare you do this? How dare you do that? You're grounded, grounded, grounded. Go to your room now. It's just not fair that my life sucks so much more than my family and Brad's lives do. Once again. It's come down to miserable me in my room. And my family and Brad downstairs. Watching a stupid 911 documentary, clearly. I need some major revenge. I need to teach my family and Brad a lesson that they will never, ever, ever, ever forget, but I wonder how I'm going to get this revenge. Oh. I know what I'll do. I am going to give my family and Brad a chance to fully experience the documentary. And by that, I mean that I am going to do 911 to this house. Time to go to the airport and steal an airplane.
Stephanie. Where on earth do you think you're going?
Oh. Nowhere in particular. I'm just going on a walk around the neighborhood.
Well, that's probably a lie and you're actually going somewhere like James CJ's house. But I really don't give a crap. We'll just ground you afterwards anyway.
Yes. I finally made it to the Gossady Airport, and there's an airplane right over here. OMG. It is so cool looking in here. I can't wait to fly this thing. Wait. What the? These controls are all crazy. There's so many buttons and levers and stuff. Oh well. I guess I'll try pulling this random lever. Wow. I think I actually got it to take off. Hooray.
Meanwhile, back at Stephanie's house. Oh look. It's a plane outside.
It seems to be flying awfully close to us.
It's headed straight to the house. Run.
Yes. My plan worked. And I somehow survived due to Gonamate beyond logic. Whoa, Brad and Mom. Why do you have fire eyes?
Stephanie, how dare you crash an airplane into your house? That is so totally freaking out.